Hi guys, I hope you're having a good January. In today's video I'm going to do a little unboxing. We're going to get ready to watch the new season of Hello Kitty and Friends Super Cute Adventures, which is a show on YouTube, and there are already 5 seasons, which I wasn't even aware of, so there's lots to watch if you haven't seen it yet. But the first episode of this new season features My Melody, so I'm guessing that's why they sent us a box filled with My Melody goodies, and everything is so adorable. So this first set of stickers that I'm opening is so fancy and so cute. I don't know if you can see it, but the texture of the stickers is like kind of wrinkly and it feels a little bit luxe, especially with the gold foil touch on the edge. So I think these stickers are for both New Year's and also a festival in Japan, which is sort of like a coming of age festival, and that's where all the girls who have come of age dress up in a nice silk kimono and they go to the shrine and they have these like fur collars around their necks, which I think a piano is wearing in that one sticker. And they also have the mochi tower with the orange on top, or the tangerine, and the Daruma doll, which is also symbolic of New Year's. You make a wish in the beginning of the year, and then when it comes true, you fill in the other eye. And then when the next New Year comes, you like burn your Daruma doll. And I have actually a video on the Daruma doll festival where people just take their Daruma dolls at New Year's and throw them into the fire. Okay, so this next, I was so excited about these My Melody clips. I actually contemplated purchasing these for myself on Amazon, but I ended up getting a Kuromi set. I was like debating between the My Melody and Kuromi, so I was so excited to see these in the box, even though these boxes are for my kids. But I think that they'll be willing to share them with me. They're just nice for like clipping your bangs back when you wash your face. And then they also sent these puffy hair clips, which feature both My Melody and her friend Piano. And actually, both of my kids like Piano better than My Melody for some reason. And when Valentina was a baby, she was born in the year of the sheep. So when I did her first birthday party, I made those doll towers, which are like for the Korean first birthday. So on one of her towers, I featured Piano the sheep because it was for the year of the sheep. And actually Sienna had a snake tower on her birthday with Hello Kitty with a snake head. And next up we have this adorable My Melody backpack. This is sort of like a winter My Melody because she's wearing a scarf, and I didn't know that she had those little footprints, which I think are super cute, her paw prints. And so it's not just a My Melody plushie, it's a backpack, which is so cute. This kind of reminds me of a Totoro backpack that we got for my daughter Sienna. It was just basically a big plushie that she could wear on her back. So she kind of doubles as a doll plushie and also a backpack that you can carry around. And they also sent us this cute popcorn container. I used to have a couple of these, but I don't know what happened to them, so it was nice to have these to get ready for our Hello Kitty and Friends launch party. And last but not least, we have this cute My Melody zipper pouch. And the outer is made sort of like a waterproof material. So I think this is like a good pouch to bring on your trip and put your toiletries in it. And so this is gonna come in really handy for us because we're going on a trip in March. So I thought this was a really fun extra. They sent us all of these printouts to get ready for a Hello Kitty and Friends launch party for season 6. And they have like drink holders, cupcake holders. These are headbands. And so you can just cut these things out and decorate your space, and it feels really festive. And so I didn't use all of these items, but I did use some of them, and we had our own little Hello Kitty launch party. Oh, and they had some coloring sheets, which we all did. That was really fun for my kids too. So I don't know if you guys have been to the Sanrio store in Irvine. I went with my kids over the summer when we were in California, and they had these headbands that they gave to my girls, which was really fun. And then like actually right after we went to the Sanrio store, we drove over to Irvine Spectrum and we went to the Hello Kitty Grand Cafe, or the Bow Room, for afternoon tea, which I had to make a reservation in advance to go there. But if you haven't been, I highly recommend it, and I actually have a video of us when we went there, so I'll link it in the description box below. So for this lunch party, I didn't want to do a ton of baking, so I just bought these mini cupcakes from Target, and since Valentine's Day is coming up, they were super pinky and pretty. They were a little bit small for the cupcake holders. I think that they're meant to hold regular sized cupcakes, but I just cut them down a little bit and they fit pretty well. So a lot of times when you go to these character cafes and character restaurants, they have really cute food, but another component of like the cute food is having cute napkins or little cupcake or food toppers, and this was a really nice and easy way to make our ordinary cupcakes feel really festive. And they also had these little toothpick toppers. I didn't have any toothpicks on hand, so I just used my bento picks, but I think the pink added a nice pop of color. And I put these on top of cupcakes, but I think if you have some other desserts or fruit, it's just a nice way to add a little touch of Hello Kitty. So I'm not sure if these printables are available online. I'll see if I can find them, and if I can, I'll link them below, but I think it would be great to like repurpose this for a birthday party. So yeah, I don't know if these are available online. Hopefully they are. I do remember seeing a Sanrio calendar though, which was really cute, and I printed it out. I bought cardstock and I printed out that calendar, and that's what I'm using this year. So if you guys haven't seen that, make sure to go check it out, because I don't know how long they keep these printables up on their website. But yeah. Anyway, so these are the cup covers. I didn't really have cups that were the right size, but here is our party. Everything is ready. I wasn't expecting the episode to be only 3 minutes long, so we watched it and it was just too short. But there are some other episodes that we were able to watch, so if you guys haven't seen it, go check it out. It's a super cute show.